Hello, so today we're going to be opening up our chocolate frog from the Harry Potter store that I got down in Chicago. I already took the plastic wrapping off, but the back says that there's one milk chocolate shaped frog and then 5 wizard's cards. And then obviously it has all of your nutrition facts, so we can go ahead and open this up. That's what the container looks like. We'll open it up and it's just chocolate frog in plastic. I don't know if it's a solid chocolate frog. I will find that out. But it's pretty detailed for what it is. And then you have your wizard's cards that are actually hologram or whatever. They have that etching thing to make them kind of like pop, give them a 3D effect. So there's Helga Hufflepuff. And it gives you a little blurb about her. So it says medieval, and then she's one of the founders of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And there's that, and then there's Rowena Ravenclaw. Obviously the house is named after that, Ravenclaw. And again, one of the founders. There's Godric Gryffindor, another Hogwarts founder who has obviously the Gryffindor house named after them. Albus Dumbledore gives his ears that he was alive. And then Salazar Slytherin, who is another founder of Hogwarts and obviously has the Slytherin house named after him. Very cool. So that's what you get in that. Oops, I'm just gonna set these off to the side. And we can open up the chocolate frog. There's no like lip thing. There it goes. So it sounds it sounds solid. But so that's what it looks like. So it's kind of detailed a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Yeah, so it is a solid frog. So that's a lot of chocolate to eat. It's pretty good. It tastes, like milk chocolate. But that's the video for today. So yeah, you can go ahead and find this at the Hogwarts store in Chicago or at the one in New York. And I also have one over in England too, if you are overseas. I'm gonna go and eat this off camera, but it's pretty good. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video.